Okay, what we have here, we already took the slot fan that the CPU came with for the exterior. We went ahead and replaced it with an LED fan. So what we did now, we mounted the stock fan from the rear to the front. That way we have more air going into the CPU. And here also we took off the the front cover for the case, so we can remove the two slots for the two DVDRs. And here, as you can see, there's two plates. We just need to remove these, and the CD drive should fit in perfectly. One plate. Second plate. Okay, so now make sure everything is the way it should be. We've got two holes here, two holes here. Wires, we just need to make sure they're cut in. Go ahead and close the front cover back up. And you should hear snapping. Okay. These are all in place. There we go.
Next step.
Next step, DVDRs. DVD ROM drives. I'm sorry, DVD burn.